Well, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a coin appear and also disappear, and also a few different techniques us magicians do to try to trick you. Here we go. All right, the first thing is a very simple, you just take a Post-it note. We just need one, very simple. This is really cool, easy to do. What I'm going to do is actually, I can fold it up just like this, all right? And by folding it up, you can actually take the Post-it note and you can see that coin come right out of the center. All right, now to make it disappear, really simple. You use the same piece, you fold the quarter, look, I'm really folding it in there, it's still in there, into the piece of paper like this, and I'm even going to fold the sides just like this, that way it can't come out the sides, and then I'm also going to fold up in the bottom there, that way it cannot come out the bottom. Now here we go, watch. 1, 2, 3, and the quarter disappears just like that. Did you see it go? Nothing in my hands, but look. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What? Excuse me, what you say? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What you say? There you go. You ever heard of somebody pulling the quarter out of your ear? Well, that's how you do it. I'm going to show you this and a few other techniques that you can do right now. Don't go anywhere. One more thing before we do anything else, make sure you subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let's go. All right, thanks so much. I am going to show you now the secrets. All right, all you're going to need is 2 quarters, and then you're going to need some Post-it notes. Very easy, simple to do. What I did before I came out and performed it for you, I just pulled back a piece of the Post-it note like that. Now, each Post-it note, of course, has a little bit of sticky stuff right there. So what I did is I just placed that quarter right there on the sticky stuff. Okay, right there inside, okay? Now, I had this quarter in my ear the whole time. It might not fit in your ear, but I got some big ears, so it fits in mine. You see, and there you go. So this is the one that people do not see. So I was watching the camera a lot. That way I didn't turn this way. It would have ruined the whole thing. So, and then also here, you can see it's kind of, you can kind of see the indentation of the quarter. So what you want to do is kind of hold it like this. And when you come out, you just pull off that piece. Pretty easy to pull off because it's only half of it sticking to the other piece of paper, okay? So what I did then, I came around like this. I'm gonna come around and show you from the back. What I did is all I did was fold this up like this, okay? And then I took that quarter and just slid it down a little bit. That way it's not sticking there anymore, you see? All right, so now, very easy, simple to do. So I came out like this. You can actually, look, it's actually sticking on there, look. That looks pretty good. And I just fold it up, pull the quarter down off of the sticky stuff, and then it's right there. Then I just take my hand and I come back slow, because you want to leave the moment of magic right there. And boom, there you go. See how easy and simple that is? It's amazing. It just sticks right on there like that. Okay, now for the other part, a little bit harder, but you'll get it, really simple, easy to do. Let me kind of show you what you don't see. Now, this is kind of hard because it's sticky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up this way. Okay, that way the sticky part is on the bottom. Okay, now what I did is I folded it down this way. Okay, like that. Then I folded this forward. I don't want to make it really tight, okay? I'm just going to fold that around a little bit and then fold this piece around a little bit too, okay? Now here's the move, look at this. I'm gonna fold this up like this. Now this corner, it looks from the front, it looks like it's really in there, but all you do is you just let go, release the pressure, and that quarter slides right out of the Post-it note. So I came up like this, so my fingers are closed, and there it is, I just released it into my hand. So I come up like this. This hand goes down, okay? We call it going down south, okay? And what happens is it's just going to go to the side of your body, but it's hidden in your fingers, and it's going to swing like this, okay? Like there's nothing there, okay? Now what I did is I actually have a little table here on the side. I just set it right there on the table. You can do that, or if you got really good misdirection, you come up like this, you drop it, okay? It's dropped in my hand. Let me show you again. From the from the back. I dropped it into my fingers. Remember, fingers are shut the whole time. Okay, I come down like this, and as you go forward with this hand here with the quarter can actually slip into your back pocket like that. Okay, so it's gone already. So then I just take it like this. Now the magic's already done. You're just going to actually just tear it all apart like that, throw it into the air, and let people clean it up. That would be their souvenir. And then you can turn around like this and show them in the ear. Okay, you can do that, or you can actually have another quarter hidden under a salt shaker. Anywhere else in the room would be great. All right, just don't let them. Now with the new quarters, see, this is a different back than what this one is. Okay, but you guys didn't notice that one, of course. You see, I like this one. This is cool. It's got some hands on it there. But you see, all right. So you want don't let them examine it or anything. Just that way you'd be better off and you'd be safe with it. Okay, so like that. Now let me show you a few coin moves that you can do. This one's called the retention vanish. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my right hand a lot. Okay. Now I'm just going to act like I put it into the hand like this and close up my fingers like this. Okay. While I close up my fingers like this, what happens is these fingers come here and scoot the quarter really back into this hand. So watch how it looks. It looks really good. I practice this in front of the mirror all the time. Watch. You see? Now, see how my hand's just swinging there on the side? Now you don't want to do it right away because then all of the heat is going to be on that hand. You want to get rid of this quarter first before you open this hand, okay? So watch. I go like this, come down like this, come forward, okay? And when I'm coming forward, that's what I did. I just dropped that quarter into my pocket. Then I squeeze. And if you squeeze pretty hard, look at that. See how the blood just kind of looks cool, you see? So let me show you that again, slow motion. This takes a lot of practice. Do it in front of a mirror. So you go like this, then your fingers are going to come over and pull it back like that, okay? As these are coming up like this, okay? So watch, here we go. You see? And that hand, see how it just swings? And then I come forward like this, that goes into the pocket, it's gone. Then you open, you see? Now, the next little move I'll show you, this is cool, this is called a French drop. You see? There it is right there, okay? Now, I do this also with the left hand. Instead of going like this, okay, what you're doing is I'm gonna come up like this and act like I grab the coin, okay? So let me show you if I was to really grab the coin. I'd come up like this and grab the coin like that, all right? Okay? So practice that a few times, what this would look like if you're really coming up to grab the coin, okay? Now, when you're ready to make it disappear, you see? Now, let me show you where it is. It's right there, okay? This is something magicians call finger palming, okay? So I'll go like this, I come up. Now, I have to be careful with my wedding ring. Sometimes it will click, watch. Do you hear it? Sometimes it clicks on that, all right? So I'll come up like this, I grab it. Same thing, you wanna put all of the attention here as this comes down, goes into your pocket. You might wanna rub your fingers or whatever, okay? And then you can come back up like this, and wow, there you go, it's gone. So let me show you one more time, the French drop. And there you go. So there you go, some really easy coin magic you can do right there at your house to fool your friends and your family. We are just on the tip of touching all this coin magic that is out there. I just wanted to show you guys something really simple you can do right away, right now. And also make sure you practice this in front of a mirror. That way you can kind of get where your hands are going to be and where you can hide the coin. Make sure you keep your hands closed, okay, when you're hiding that coin. So thanks a lot. I really appreciate you subscribing. I really appreciate it. And also, if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thanks a lot. God bless. Be well. See you soon.